Hi, this is Grace with WTI. Want a natural way to keep the mosquitoes and critters away? This essential oil from doTERRA is the right one for you.
So this is the doTERRA TerraShield blend. This blend has a nice fresh woody aroma. It combines ingredients such as citronella, thyme, lemongrass, and other essential oils to just provide another alternative option to repelling insects. So with this oil, you can create your own insect repellent in a little spray bottle, or usually what I like to do is just mix it with some lotion and then just apply it to areas where I might be most likely to get bit by mosquitoes or any other insects. What I love about it is that it doesn't have all these chemicals that can cause irritation to the skin, so it is safe to use for everybody in the family.
I hope you can benefit from this essential oil just as much as I have during the summer season. And that's just my point of view.